Donations are pouring in at a Christmas charity in Michigan after smoke damage from a fire stymied plans to deliver thousands of gifts for children. Santa Claus Girls of Kent County has been going door to door with gifts for struggling families for more than a century in the Grand Rapids area, but fire last week struck a building where Santa Claus Girls stores gifts. Smoke filled the space for hours. Santa Claus Girls will instead deliver gift cards for 8,500 children. Meanwhile, cash donations are coming in. The group's president says there are many giving hearts in Grand Rapids.
It was absolutely unbelievable to think of all of the thousands of children's gifts that were sitting in this smoky box. It was a question of what can we do within the time constraints and still help the kids. So we said gift cards. It will come from us, it will come with one of our drivers, it will arrive at their doorstep.
Times are tough. You know, homelessness rates are high in Kent County right now. So any little bit of joy that we can bring to the families and the kids, it just means a lot. We're coming out of some hard times after the pandemic. The need is out there, and so it feels good to try to help all these kids out and those families as well.